If you're anything like me, you love making beautiful handmade gifts for your family and friends. Now you can wrap them in projects that are made with love and an extra layer of protection with Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial from Lion Brand. When you think about yarn, you probably aren't thinking about technology, but Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial is made with a brilliant new fiber called Amicor that protects projects against odor, bacteria, and allergens. That means this yarn is a great choice for so many projects. Anything that might get sweaty or stinky. Think hats, exercise clothing like headbands, pet sweaters, and house slippers. Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial is also perfect for baby garments, toys, and blankets. You won't have to wash these items as often because they'll stay smelling fresher for longer, which also means that your beautiful stitching will be looking like new for years to come. When you do want to launder projects made with Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial, you can wash them in the washing machine. The Amicor technology lasts for up to 5 years or 100 washes. Not only is this yarn odor resistant because it's 35% Amicor, it's also 65% GRS recycled polyester. GRS means that this is certified recycled. Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial is worsted weight, and you get 186 yards in each ball. We've also designed an amazing palette of muted, heathered colors for this yarn that are just so gorgeous. I challenge you to pick just one favorite. Of course, your projects are getting an extra layer of protection from allergens and odor-causing bacteria, but how will they feel? I'm going to show you the swatches that I worked up, and I'll tell you all about it. But before I do, make sure you're subscribed to our channel so you don't miss any new videos or shorts from Lion Brand. I really enjoyed working with Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial. I worked up swatches on both the recommended needle and hook size. This yarn is really soft, and it actually reminds me of the feel of a natural fiber. It doesn't have a shine to it, which also makes me think of wool, but of course it's recycled polyester and Amicor. It's so delicious, definitely soft enough for babies. The yarn itself is very plump and round, which feels great while you're working with it, and it gives your stitches such a beautiful shape. It's got a great drape too, in both the stockinette and half of double crochet that I have here. You are going to love wearing projects that you make with Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial. Even if this yarn didn't have those extra features protecting your makes against odor and allergens, I'd still reach for it for so many projects because it just feels fantastic and the colors are wonderful. If you want to learn more about Basic Stitch Anti-Microbial and see all of the colors, check it out on lionbrand.com. And make sure you watch our video on its big sister, the bulky weight Basic Stitch Thick and Quick Anti-Microbial. What do you want to make with this yarn? Happy stitching!